What's up guys, Adam here, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be freshwater fishing in the Tahoe Q4 ski and fish package. Went to Walmart, saw a bunch of great deals, got some fishing lures. I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but hey, at least I look good in the process. So let me go ahead and introduce you. There's Jules.
Hey guys.
And we went to the Christmas parade last night, ended up coming back around 1:30 in the morning, set the alarm for 6 a.m. We're like, all right, we're going to get up, we're going to catch some fish early in the morning. And somebody didn't want to wake up.
That's not true. I got up.
Okay, maybe I didn't want to get up. But we're here now. So if you like it, hopefully we catch some fish. I'll tell you all about it. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to say, hey, if this bait works, I'm going to tell you which bait I'm using. Hot dogs and some fake lures.
Hot dogs are my idea.
She likes the meat. So, all right, let's go.
We going.
Cast her wiener out. Do it, do it, do it. Not his mom. We haven't done shit all day. Okay.
So many years have passed the day since we fell in love.
Have you caught anything yet?
Got crabs one. Ask me about my wiener.
There's no hope to find, no time to hide. And I'm sinking under, drowning faster. Please just let me breathe. The air is leaving and I'm lost in need of you again. You break me down and you make me surrender. Romeo and Juliet.
Well, we've been out here for a few hours. Different spots. I'm using a little midworm. She's using some hot dog. No bites. I use a little frog by the lily pads. 12 foot of water here. Went by the lily pads. It was about 6-7 foot. And we are getting nothing. The good news is there's a bunch of fishermen out here and they're saying the same thing, so maybe we don't really suck. It's just the fish. Well, didn't catch anything this time, but I guess there was a bass tournament going on when we pulled up to the dock. A bunch of bass boats there. They got some bass.
They caught all the fish.
Yeah, they caught all the fish. That's exactly what happened. But I guess they were using rattlers, lures, worm lures. And they weren't too eager to tell me what they were using for bait. I don't know if it's because, you know, maybe they do it for a living. I don't know anything about that stuff. I know they're competing, so I'm sure they don't want to give them their secrets. But after I told them, I said, look, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm just trying to catch a fish. I don't care if you put your fish on my hook just to make it look like I caught it. I'm okay with that, just so I can say I caught a freaking fish. But the good news is they said it was a crappy day for them as well. And the other good news is Her hot dogs didn't catch crap either. Alright, well, sorry you guys didn't get any, see any fish getting caught. So hopefully, maybe next time. Have a good one.